Very good morning to you all. Welcome to TSN English class. Hornbill book, chapter number 6, the Browning version, written by Terence Rattigan. This is an excerpt from the Browning version. The scene is a set in a school. Frank is young and Crocker Harris middle aged. Both are masters. Taplow is a boy of 16 who has come in to do extra work for Crocker Harris, but the latter has not yet arrived and Frank finds Taplow waiting. This is a kind of play and it is written over here that this is the scene of the school. The scene is set in a school. So here Terence Rattigan, the Browning version, he's written that Browning version chapter, and here he presents two contrasting school teachers in front of us, and the teachers are Mr. Frank and Mr. Crocker Harris. Both of them are different in age and their temperament and devotion to their profession. Mr. Frank is young and more social, while Mr. Crocker Harris is a middle aged man and he is reserved in his nature. The Browning version, this chapter, it is an extract from a play by Terence Rattigan, and here is a boy in the chapter, that is Taplow. He is a 16-year-old student, has meet to has to meet his teacher, Mr. Crocker Harris, in the school. So here we are. Frank, do I know you? Taplow, no, sir. Here, a student whose name is Taplow is waiting for his teacher, Mr. Crocker Harris, and another teacher, Mr. Frank, who is young. He asked question to Taplow that, do I know you? क्या मैं तुम्हें जानता हूँ? Taplow is replying, no, sir. Frank, what's your name? Taplow. Taplow is giving reply, my name is Taplow. Frank, no, I don't. You are not a scientist, I gather. Here, Frank is saying that, Taplow, no, I don't. You are not a scientist, I gather. Here in these lines, Frank is saying that, Taplow, मैं तुम्हें नहीं जानता. And I think you belong from science stream. You are not a scientist, I gathered. कि तुम साइंस स्ट्रीम से तो बिलोंग नहीं करते हो. Taplow, no, sir. I am still in the lower fifth. I can't specialize until next term. Here Taplow is saying that, sir, I am still in the lower fifth. मैं अभी भी lower fifth grade के lower section में पढ़ रहा हूँ. I can't specialize until next term. मैं next term या next term के लिए जब तक एग्ज़ाम नहीं दे सकता, दैट्स टू से आई हैव गॉट माई रिमूव ऑल राइट. जब तक मुझे अपनी या मैं जो अपनी रिमूव मीन्स रिजल्ट्स ऑफ अ स्टूडेंट्स परफॉर्मेंस एट द एंड ऑफ अ स्कूल ईयर. तो जब तक वो अपने रिजल्ट्स का नहीं आ जाते उसके स्कूल ईयर के, तब तक वो किसी भी फील्ड को चूज़ नहीं, किसी भी स्ट्रीम को चूज़ नहीं कर सकता. हियर इज़ ऑल अबाउट दैट आई कांट चूज़ एनी स्ट्रीम वेदर इट्स साइंस और आर्ट्स जब तक मेरा रिमूव नहीं आ जाता. दैट मीन्स माई रिजल्ट और स्टूडेंट परफॉर्मेंस हियर टॉकिंग अबाउट. All right, Frank, don't you know if you have got your remove? So teacher Frank is saying that कि क्या तुम नहीं जानती तुम्हें रिमूव मिल चुका है. दैट मीन्स यू हैव पास्ड योर एग्जामिनेशन. Taplow, no, sir. Mr. Crocker Harris does not tell us the results like the other master. Here Taplow is saying that कि नो सर, मिस्टर क्रॉकर हैरिस ने हमें दूसरे टीचर्स की तरह हमारे रिजल्ट्स के बारे में बिल्कुल भी नहीं बताया है. फ्रैंक, वाई नॉट? उन्होंने क्यों नहीं बताया? टैप्लो, वेल यू नो what he is like, sir. Here Taplow is saying that, sir, you know that Mr. Crocker Harris is what kind of a man he is. So he's like what kind of a man he is, or you know about his nature. So here's Taplow is talking about Mr. Crocker Harris. Frank, I believe there is a rule that form results should only be announced by the headmaster on the last day of the term. Here, Frank is talking about that he believe, or according to him, there is a rule. According to which rule, the last day of the school, on the last day of the term or the school, only the headmaster will announce the result. So the school principal will announce the result. Tableau, yes, but who else pay attention to it except Mr. Crocker Harris? Here Tableau is talking about again Mr. Crocker Harris. Ki, sir, you are right, but nobody is paying attention to these kind of rule. Only one man is here in the school, that is Mr. Crocker Harris. He always pay attention to these kinds of rules. Frank, I don't, I admit, but that's not criterion, so you have got to wait until tomorrow to know your fate, have you? Here, Frank is talking about himself, that he agrees or he admits that I don't, I admit that ही ऑल्सो वॉन्ट पेज दीज काइंड ऑफ वो भी इस तरीके के रूल्स पे या इस तरीके के रूल्स पे बिल्कुल भी उन पे ध्यान नहीं देता. ही एडमिटेड ओवर हियर दैट आई ऑल्सो डोंट पे अटेंशन ऑन दीज काइंड ऑफ रूल और क्राइटेरिया, बट दैट्स नॉट अ क्राइटेरियन. बट ये कोई तरीका नहीं है. सो यू हैव got to wait until tomorrow. See here Frank is talking about Taplow's result, that for your result you have to wait for tomorrow to know your fate, to know your results. Have you, क्या तुम इंतज़ार करोगे? Taplow, yes sir. Frank, supposing the answer is favorable, what then? Taplow is saying that suppose answer, Mr. Frank is saying that suppose Taplow the answer is in your favor, then what then? So here Taplow is giving reply, oh science sir, of course. If Taplow is saying that if results are is in his favor और वो पास हो जाता है, then surely he opt for science subject. Frank, sadly yes, we get all the slackers. Here Frank जो है वो थोड़ा sad mood में, and he said that we get all the slackers. Slackers here means some unmotivated students, because Frank, Mr. Frank was a teacher. He belongs from art stream, or he's a teacher of art stream. So he said that कि in our stream arts only the unmotivated students are taking part in our subject. Taplow, protestingly, I am extremely interested in science, sir. So here Taplow is protestingly giving answer to his teacher, and that he's saying that I am extremely interested in science, sir. He's saying, sir, I am interested in science. That is why I am opting for this subject. Frank, are you? I am not. Not at least in the science I have to teach. Here Frank is talking about that Taplow, are you interested in science? That Taplow is interested in science. Now Frank is talking about himself, that he is not, or I am not interested in this subject science. I have to teach. अगर मुझे पढ़ाना भी पड़ता तो भी मैं इसमें इंटरेस्ट नहीं लेता. Taplow, well anyway sir, it's a good deal more exciting than this muck. Here in these lines, Taplow is indicating और वो इशारा कर रहा है कुछ बुक्स की तरफ, दैट दीज बुक्स, वेल एनी वे सर, इट इज़ अ गुड डील मोर एक्साइटिंग. हियर इन दीज लाइन्स ही इज सेइंग दैट वेल एनी वे सर. सो वो कह रहा है कि इन बुक्स को पढ़ने से अच्छा है. more exciting than this muck. Muck means rubbish. So he is saying that कि it's better than कि मैं इन rubbish books को पढूं. I will study the science subject. Frank, what is this muck? So Mr. Frank is saying that you what are you talking about? तुम्हें ये books muck और rubbish लगती है? Taplow is saying that Aeschylus, sir, the Agamemnon. Here he is saying about कि सर ये जो Aeschylus Agamemnon है, Frank, and your considered view is that Agamemnon is muck. So Frank is saying that according to you Agamemnon book is muck. So Frank is saying that क्या ये rubbish book लगती है तुम्हें? Tableau. Well, no, sir. I don't think the play is muck. Exactly, I suppose, in a way. It is rather a good plot. Rarely, really, a wife murdering her husband and all that. I only meant the way it's taught to us, just a lot of Greek words. All that I only meant the way it's just taught to us. Way it's taught to us, just a lot Greek words strung together and 50 lines if you get them wrong. Here in these lines, Taplow is talking about, well, no, sir, I don't think the play is muck. Here, Taplow is describing about his own views कि sir, I don't think the play is rubbish. The play बिल्कुल भी rubbish नहीं है, but the exact thing, but एग्जैक्टली वॉट इज़ दैट आई सपोज इन अ वे, वो कह रहा है कि मैं ये मानता हूँ और अकॉर्डिंग टू टैपलो इट इज़ रादर अ गुड प्लॉट, कि ये जो है ये एक अच्छी कहानी है. गुड प्लॉट मीन्स ये एक अच्छी कहानी है. रियली जिसमें अ वाइफ मर्डरिंग हर हस्बैंड एंड ऑल दैट. तो वो कह रहा है कि एक वाइफ जो है जो अपने हस्बैंड का मर्डर कर देती है. मैं तो सिर्फ इस कहानी को इस वे में, ओनली आई डोंट लाइक दिस पार्ट ऑफ द स्टोरी दैट आई ओनली मेंट द वे इट्स टॉट टू अस. तो वो कह रहा है कि मैं सिर्फ उस तरीके को पसंद नहीं करता जिस तरीके से ये कहानियाँ हमें पढ़ाई जाती हैं. जस्ट अ लॉट ऑफ ग्रीक वर्ड्स, सिमिलरली लाइक ग्रीक वर्ड्स जो यूनानी शब्द हमें पढ़ाए जाते हैं, वॉज स्ट्रंग टुगेदर. वो आपस में स्ट्रंग मीन्स दे ऑल आर लाइक उलझे हुए या गुथे हुए शब्द होते हैं. 50 लाइन्स इफ़ यू गेट दैम रॉन्ग. और अगर आप देखेंगे कि उनमें या उन्हें फिर अगर हम उन्हें उन शब्दों को रॉन्ग लिख दें, दो शब्द जो भी हमें पढ़ने लिखने के लिए में कहे जाते हैं या इस प्ले में जो प्लॉटिंग हुई है, अगर वो शब्द हम गलत लिख दें तो 50 लाइन्स इफ़ यू गेट दैम रॉन्ग. यू हैव टू राइट ऑल दोज वर्ड्स 50 टाइम्स इफ़ यू आर डूइंग एनी काइंड ऑफ मिस्टेक. So here in these lines it's talking about that. Frank, you sound a little bitter, Taplow. Here Frank is talking about Taplow, that how he's talking about the subject. So here Frank is saying that कि तुम्हारे अंदर मुझे लगता है some kind of little bitterness, some kind of wrong thoughts जो है उसके माइंड में है about all these things. So he's saying to Taplow, I am rather, sir. यस सर. तो वो अग्री कर रहा है फ्रैंक से थॉट से कि यस सर, आई एम थिंकिंग लिटिल बिटर अबाउट दैट, कि हाँ मेरे मन में कड़वाहट है रिगार्डिंग ऑल दीज थिंग्स. फ्रैंक, कीप इन ए. Here keep in word means detained or to stay after school hours. So Frank is saying that कि that Mr. Harris is giving, or Mr. Crocker Harris is giving some kind of punishment to you. That is why you are waiting over here, or you are staying after school hours. Taplow, no sir, it's not my punishment. So he's giving a reply, no sir, it's about extra work. So keeping in means that he's waiting after school hours, or is there any punishment? So he's now giving reply, that Taplow is giving reply, no sir, only because of some extra work I am here. Frank, extra work on the last day of the school. So Mr. Frank जो है वो थोड़ा सा क्वेश्चन करते हैं अगेन टैप्लो से, एक्स्ट्रा वर्क ऑन द लास्ट डे ऑफ द स्कूल, कि लास्ट डे ऑफ द स्कूल पे हु इज़ गिविंग एक्स्ट्रा वर्क टू यू.